Once, on the edge of colonial Hong Kong, stood a monolith of darkness. A lawless concrete island, home to 33,000 souls. It began low, a squatter's camp rising from the dust of history. But desperation drove it upwards, building on top of building. No architects, no plans, just rooms stacked like concrete Tetris blocks. It grew into a fortress, shutting out the rest of the world. Sunlight vanished from the lower levels, lost in a tangle of wires. The streets became narrow, dripping tunnels lit only by fluorescent tubes. Deep inside, an entire economy thrived in the shadows. Unlicensed dentists pulled teeth next to loud, dusty factories. Noodle makers worked through the night in steam-filled, windowless rooms. Water dripped constantly, requiring umbrellas even when indoors. The triads ruled these alleyways, keeping order where the law could not. Yet, amidst the grime, children played on the rooftops. This was their only sky, a playground of concrete and antenna metal. Every few minutes, the roar of jets shook the entire structure. It was a miracle of engineering, held together by gravity and hope. But in 1993, the wrecking ball finally brought the darkness down. Today, a peaceful park stands where the fortress once loomed. The walls are gone, but the legend of the city remains.